VLOGMAS day 4. I'm already forgetting. Today is a work day for me, so I'm going to get ready, get dressed. I'm feeling I Dream of Jeannie vibes. Maybe it needs to be up a little bit higher, but I don't usually wear my hair up this high, so yeah, I Dream of Jeannie. After that, I don't know what we're doing tonight. I know that we need to go somewhere to get Lola some hay, and also we need to go grocery shopping because it's grocery shopping day. So come along with us today. I don't know how much I will vlog today, but I'll try and get it in. And we'll see you soon.
Hey everyone, welcome to VLOGMAS day 4, I think now. Bloody hell, what a day. Yeah, I finished early today. It's around 3 o'clock, which is good because I want to get home and just relax for a little bit before Mel gets home. Then we're going to go grocery shopping and yeah, fun times. And yeah, I got to siphon the fuel out of my old car into my new car. It's going to be interesting because they're both on the same side. It's not like Mel's car, it's on the passenger side. I could have just reversed it in and then done it then, but no. Both on the driver's side. Sucks. So yeah, see how it go. I might have to push my car out and from the backyard to the front, and then yeah, try and reverse my car as close to the car as possible. So yeah, it's like a T intersection sort of thing, and yeah, try and siphon it that way. See how we go. So I haven't got much fuel left. So I'm just, yeah, 50 k's till empty. So yeah, I should make it home. But yeah, see how we go. Oh well. Might have to stop and get $5 or something. Yeah. It's just been an interesting day. It's a nice, beautiful day today. It's 23 degrees apparently, according to my car. So yeah, it's a nice day. It's like a sauna in here though. I have to quickly turn on my aircon, which is going to drain more fuel out of my car. But yeah, oh well. Yeah. So yeah, going grocery shopping tonight, and that's about it. And then probably do our advent calendars, have some dinner, and then watch a movie or something, then go to bed early. Because I've got to start at 5:30, so yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. So yeah, it doesn't give me shit for saying so yeah all the time. But yeah, it's just a pain, I don't know. When I got nothing to say, I say yeah, oh yeah. Oh well. Talk to you guys soon when I get home. Yeah, Mel doesn't finish work till late, so I'm going to test out the new mower today. And yeah, see how it goes. I did a strip, it seems to go good. Does a good job. I like it. I like it a lot. Got me money spent well. Bloody hell. Friggin' smashed through it. I reckon it only took me, what, maybe 20 minutes? Now I just gotta whipper snip the edges and that's it. Done. Done all in 20 minutes. Good mower. I'm gonna go to Bunnings and give that the guy a big sloppy kiss saying thank you for selling me this lawnmower. It was highly recommended, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am home. And Sean is home. He's writing on the list of things that we need because we've got to go grocery shopping. But I went to Colette today and I wanted to show you what I bought. I bought these earrings. Can you see? They're all cute. They're like little you know those bow things that you put on cards, on presents? So I bought those, and then I bought this as a necklace and matching earrings. They're snowflakes. Roller cute. Then I bought these cute bows. They're for your hair. And this is the pack where I got the earrings on. These are my earrings that I was wearing today. But there's like little red bows and little green bows as well. And then I bought this really cute snowflake clip. How cute is that? And that is everything I bought at Colette.
Yeah, you know what time it is? It's Advent calendar time.
Oh yeah, because you haven't done that yet.
So yeah, what should I pick today? Might pick a bottle this time. I'll go one of these ones.
What is it?
Beer from Audi's.
Oh yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah,
Put it in the fridge.
Like.
Alright, it's my turn now. So my T2. Wait, it's number 4, isn't it? I thought it was number 3. Tummy tea. I like this tea actually. Yeah, it's number 4 today.
Yeah.
My day 3 is empty. So this one is the tummy tea. It says a little something yummy for your tummy. Here's a wonderful minty after dinner treat with a sumptuously smooth and sweet aftertaste that'll linger well into the evening. I do like this one. It's really
So
nice.
afternoon delight then. Yeah, buddy.
After dinner mint.
Afternoon delight.
Alright, let's go. We're cleaning out Lola's thing. They've got Christmas decorations out there. Next door, I can see the lights. Yeah, we're cleaning out Lola's little house. And look, this friggin' guinea pig gets a log cabin.
Get a better house than we do, bloody hell.
It's a really cute log cabin. Sean got her this to go in her little cage that he's cleaning right now. And yeah, how cute is it? While we're out here, there it is. I can show you, look, I've got 2 lemon trees. One was meant to be a lime, but Bunnings stuffed up and put 2 lemon trees in the pack that we got. I've got some pumpkins growing. Then, when we go over here, this is my mixture assorted. I've got flowers. This is a flower, but it hasn't opened yet. We've got lettuces. I've actually got carrots. Look at the carrots. How cool. I don't know what else I have in there. This one is just a mixture because I had little seedlings and they all fell when the wind blew everything over, so everything kind of came into here. So that's why it's a mixture. I'm going to wait till everything grows and then pull it out and start again. Then I've got over here my little, what are they called? Succulents. I've got that one that's turned to the side there, that, and those ones. And then I've got my rosemary bush, which is awesome. And in here, there's very, very tiny, I can't remember what it's called, but they're growing. Then I have this here. Then I have my glass house, which has, let's see if I can show you, which has my avocado trees that I grew from seeds. That one's the newest one, and then that one I grew from the avocado seed a while before that one. I just chucked another one in, thought I would see if it grew. And this here is another mixture. It's another mixture. So we've got, this one's basil, we've got oregano, and we've also got mint. And yep, I put in some parsley seeds the other day and they're growing. So that's another mixture. So when I cook, I just pick it off and put it in my cooking. Oh, Sean's opened it up there. But yeah, see, they're plants, they're dying. But these ones, that's the avocado tree. And that's an avocado tree. Love it. I grew those from seeds. Hey buddy. Is Daddy cleaning your house? Huh? Little purr. What are you doing? Oh, I think she's camera shy. Oh, look at your cute hairdo. Look at your cute hairdo. I think she's camera shy. Are you camera shy? We found these straws at Aldi. They're silicone straws, and they're the reusable ones, and they stick into this unicorn. Because I don't like drinking out of metal straws, they make the drink taste funny. So I found these silicone ones. How cool. And then you just put it, no it won't. And you just put it back into this unicorn and they all stay together. There's 8 in there, and I think you get like a little cleaning brush as well. Pretty cute. That was just at Aldi. They had Christmas coloured ones as well, but I liked these. So guys, we're back on the couch where we love being, because our couch is very, very comfortable.
Yep.
And so we had dinner, went out, watered the plants, cleaned Lola's cage, and did grocery shopping. Now we're just chilling.
Then gonna go shower and go to bed.
Lola's just there. And yeah, we're watching Ghost Adventures tonight. We watch, they have like 19 seasons, but we just record whatever's on the TV and watch it after. But this is season 15, I think, and we are just gonna watch this and then go to bed. No, I wasn't gonna say and yeah. And yeah, so yeah.
So yeah. And yeah, we're gonna go.
We'll see you
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye.